Hello, my name is Dustin Mattia, and this is my idea for a possible final project for the Engineering 100 class. So we will be using Arduinos for our project, and my idea would be to create an Arduino LCD video game. It is possible, so there are these things called LCD displays, which are very common for Arduinos to use, and they are very easy to program. And using clever programming, it is possible to create a small video game within this LCD display. We could make many types of video games, but I believe that a platformer video game would be probably the easiest to make. As there are many tools that allow to create a platformer stage character and a small in-game mechanics. And what is the possibility of succeeding this project? I know for a lot of people who have never programmed Arduinos or even know about LCD displays, this may seem as a daunting task. However, this has been done before, and if we have trouble succeeding, we can always look at what mistakes we made and compare to the successes that other projects have had. And also, I've worked on. I'm very familiar with Arduino C and the Arduino hardware, and using the LCD screen and programming characters or custom characters on the screen. It is not very difficult because there's a built-in library that for all of these screens that make it very easy and accessible to program the LCD screens. There are many ideas that that we could draw that we could use in our project for as and one problem is that an LCD screen is not included in our kit, I believe. I don't see one. Oh, never mind. It is included in our kit. So we're already halfway there. And I also see a joystick in our kit, and many other different tools. For example, we could use the remote, the little Elegoo infrared remote. That could be very fun to use to control our character. And I'm pretty sure there's a speaker. If there isn't a speaker, we could buy one and we could play sounds through that. And I see a little count. I see a bunch of number counters. We could use that. And I see also a gyroscope. Maybe we could make it a little complicated if we're feeling brave. So yeah, we could just, and we can always buy things if we have new ideas. As I said before, I think there are many possibilities with this. Now here are some ideas that we could, if we're not creative enough to make our own video game, we could copy ideas from existing video games. For example, we could make a little bootleg Mario game. Or we could make Mario do some other funky stuff, or we could maybe make a very simple run and jump game like the offline Chrome dinosaur game, which is just a dinosaur running in a direction, and the only input that the player has to do is press jump. I think the dinosaur has to jump over the cactus, and as you survive longer, the dinosaur runs faster and faster, and it becomes more difficult to jump over the cacti. These are possible ideas. So thank you for listening. I hope you consider them.